condition you want to say this. And suppose that his parents are not alive. Definitely his parents will be not alive at the age of 60, 70.
One day everyone will not be alive.
So if he at the age of 60, he fell ill from a severe diseases. So who will take care of them? Now you will say the servant.
They can go with the servant and
No, I already mentioned you will talk about the servant. So you know very well, servant can cheat also you.
What do you want to say that the children are not cheating with their parents to their parents? Why they are serving their water? Why they are serving the water to their parents? Because they have a greediness that after them they will capture all the money and whatever the property the parents having.
But they are helping their father, na?
They are not helping. They are doing as a job of the servant. Why? Because they have a greed in helping means.
But his wife will support him. His wife will support him.
Who?
His husband.
I am not denying that she will
If
also.
your father fall ill, your mother doesn't support you. You don't support your father.
Definitely, because why she will support him, because both are living from a long of years. That's why she will get support. But those persons who have got what about those persons who are living in a Vriddha ashram? They are living at the age of 60s, 70s, and they are very supporting in nature. They are supporting to each other. Why they are supporting is if we will live together near about 1 year, right? Definitely we will also connect with each other at a bond, and we will also be supportive for each other. If you have any kind of problem, definitely I will support you, and if I have any kind of problem, you will support me. And that type of things which are going on in Western countries, and most of the population, they don't want to marry. Why they don't want to marry? They don't want to play a role of the father and mother.
But by the orphanages,
they want to leave what?
But by the you're saying about the orphanages,
Yes,
you can't judge the whole population.
In India, you are okay. In India, there are a lot of orphanages are continuously running on. If there is if married life is too good and this culture is too good, why this is going on?
So I already mentioned.
Exception.
Not an exception. I already mentioned you can't judge the whole population by this thing.
Most of the population are facing this kind of issues. They are not getting the support from their children as a children. They are getting as a support from their children as a just. Why? Because parents are having a such kind of property, and for the greediness of the property, they are getting the support as like a servant. If
this is not happening in every family.
This you will also see that after getting your marriage.